Today we're about to take the mask off because the fact is I've actually been able to generate more affiliate commissions during a pandemic than I've ever had in my entire affiliate marketing business. Now, in this video today, I'm actually going to be showing you how I was able to do that and how you can actually do it too. You'd be crazy to skip this video. We're starting right now. What's up, guys? If this is the very first time you come to my channel and you have no idea who I am, my name is John McNeil, and I've dedicated this channel to actually creating videos to help online entrepreneurs make a consistent income with their affiliate marketing business. If that's you, definitely subscribe to the channel and click the notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now guys, like I said, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I've been able to generate more and more money even during this pandemic. As you guys know, during this current state, we're in a pandemic and a lot of people are home and a lot of people are just spending a lot more money trying to educate themselves online and create a business online. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you what I've been doing for the past month to just drastically increase my affiliate marketing sales and how you actually can tap into it yourself. I'm even going to show you where I've been getting the traffic from. Again, guys, you don't want to miss this video. Stay to the end. We're going to go ahead and jump on the laptop and get started. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into this video. And in this video, I'm actually going to do two different things. First, I'm going to lay out to you exactly what I've been doing to generate a lot of these commissions. So sort of the kind of blueprint, the plan. And then I'm actually going to take you to the live examples of like what I've been using, traffic sources that I've been using to actually get traffic, get leads, and get sales. So let's go ahead and just talk to you briefly about what I've been doing exactly. So what I've been doing is basically, number one, is I've been getting targeted traffic, right? So I've been getting traffic that is warm traffic that is already interested in the products and the services that I'm trying to promote. So I promote a lot of make money online, business opportunities, tools, services, softwares, things that are going to help people build an online business. So I'm going to exactly where those individuals are at online to actually put my offers in front of them. The second thing that I'm doing is I'm starting out by leading with value. So I lead with value. And what I'm doing is I'm actually taking them to a free hub. And this is my hub that I actually created myself. I'll show you guys that in a second. And within that hub, number 3 is opportunities to actually learn how to do affiliate marketing. I give a lot of templates and training on how to become an affiliate, but there's also opportunities to make commissions. So there's multiple streams of income, right? So let's just put multiple streams of income. So it's been a while and I still cannot write on this little board. I just can't figure it out. So forgive this chicken scratch. So in a nutshell, what I've been doing is I've been actually getting targeted traffic, and I've been leading that traffic to some value first. I lead with value. I lead them to a hub that I created, and I'm giving away a lot of information. I'm giving away a lot of examples of how you actually build an online business. I give away templates. I share tools. I even share additional hubs that people can utilize to actually build their online business even faster. So again, there's multiple touch points of income opportunity, right? And what those multiple touch points of income opportunity basically turn into is a lot more income for me, whether it's products, whether it's services, whether there's other business opportunities that they actually get involved in. They may join another hub, which brings a whole nother array of income, affiliate commissions. This goes on and on and on. And as long as you're pumping good targeted traffic into this system, then the income just continues to come. And then the fourth thing that I'm doing is I'm actually following up. So let's just say follow up. And this is very important because as you're building up your list and you're introducing different concepts, different products, you definitely want to reinforce those things with follow-up emails. That's really the way that you can actually continually print money as time goes on, as you're building your list. So these 4 components are the things that actually have been generating me a lot of money in the past couple months, while even during a pandemic. Now, what I want to show you guys now is what I've been actually using as my hub, and how I've actually been getting some traffic to that hub, and how it all fits in together. And then at the end of this video, what I want to do is I want to show you guys 2 different things. I want to actually introduce you guys to a hub that you can actually utilize for free. So you can utilize this hub for free, that you can actually start generating multiple streams of income, as well as I want to give you guys a free traffic resource that you can actually use to start getting targeted traffic to your website. So those are 2 things that I want to give you guys. But first, let me go ahead and give you what I've been doing and show you how all of this fits into this pie. So one of the things that I've been promoting for the past few months is my Super Affiliate Hack course. Now, my Super Affiliate Hack course is a free course that will basically take a beginner affiliate and take them from $0 to $100 per day. So that's the whole premise of the course. And basically, I'm going to show you, like, from scratch. If you were starting from a beginner, you never did affiliate marketing, I'm going to show you some of the easiest ways to tap into affiliate marketing within the Make Money Online niches and start generating a consistent $100 per day. So in this is the course that I lead with. This is my value, right? So there's multiple modules within every subsection of this course. And again, within this course, I'm recommending, templates, tools, products, services, other additional hubs that will speed up the process of somebody's trying to get done for you, funnels created, and everything like that. And again, within this one little giveaway, I have all of these different touch points, multiple different touch points in which I can get commissions. I even have a resource page full of affiliate type products and things that I can make commissions from. Now, these are all good products, all good services. I'm not just recommending junk. A lot of this stuff I use myself, but I'm basically recommending these things. And then a lot of people that are coming through are purchasing these different products and services, as well as joining other business opportunities that's going to help them make even more money. So now that you know what I've actually been promoting, I want to show you a couple of places that I've been getting traffic from here recently. So the first place I want to take you to is the Warrior Forum. So the Warrior Forum basically is a forum for a bunch of internet marketers. A lot of newbies are in here, and it's very cheap to advertise here in the Warrior Forum. You can actually get some copy done and actually post what they call a Warrior special offer. And here you see I have one of mine done. I've done a couple of these, and basically this is like an advertisement or a sales page within the Warrior special offer section, and it's promoting the Super Affiliate Hack, right? I got some copy done and I'm promoting the Super Affiliate Hack, but I'm actually giving it away for free. So they're getting the course for free, and again, it puts them into my hub, which leads them to multiple streams of income, right? Multiple streams of income. It also builds my list, and when I build my list, I do what? I follow up with additional emails, almost day-to-day basis, with products, services, content, more products, services, things that I'm using, things that'll help them, and then I make more money. So this is one great opportunity you can use to get in front of super duper targeted traffic, guys, here at the Warrior Forum. It's like $20 to basically list a WSO, and then you could be getting all of this traffic from these individuals in this forum. The next place I've been getting traffic from is a solo ad traffic network called udemy.com. And what Udemy is a solo traffic network in which you have a bunch of people that have already established list of people that are in my niche, and all I do is I go and I have a specific way that I target specific vendors on here, and I go through and select the ones that I want to run some traffic with, and I just say, hey, I want 100 clicks from you, hey, I want 200 clicks from you, hey, I want 500 clicks from you, and I get the clicks and I build my list, right? I'm building my list, I send them to my hub, and what does my hub do? It makes me more and more money. And again, they're on my list, so I'm following up with emails, more and more money, right? And then the last place I'm getting traffic from is YouTube. So basically, you're watching me on YouTube right now. So whether you have been watching me for a while or you just discovered me just with this particular video, what you can do is you can start creating videos, good content around subject matters that people are having questions around, and then you can start posting those videos on YouTube and being consistent and doing some keyword research in there and kind of targeting the keywords and the questions that people are already searching for in Google and YouTube, and you can create content around those things, which then gets you some ranking, some search engine optimization with your videos, and then people will find those videos, watch those videos, and then go to your links in the description. Again, building your list, taking them to your hubs, and then they're joining opportunities, they're buying products, and they're buying services. So basically, that's what I've been doing for the past couple months to garner more leads and more sales in my business. And what I want to do, guys, is give you a resource in order for you to establish your hub where you can actually give away a hub that you can actually earn multiple streams of income from, as well as I want to give you guys a traffic resource that's going to help you get massive amounts of targeted traffic to your hub or to your sales funnel, or whatever you're trying to attract business to. You're going to be able to do that with this traffic resource. So again, in the link in the description, go down, you can actually create a free account and you would actually be able to get some training and you can establish your own hub. And the second link will be a resource that's going to help you get traffic to your hub or any other link, business or sales funnel that you're trying to get traffic to. This is going to help you out. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. And if you have any questions regarding this video about what I've been doing, how I've been marketing and positioning my business, make sure you leave that in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have regarding this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.